what to do for this fun event. Kailangan nyo na isuot. Sige, patay na rin. By the way, meron tayong performance. Plug ko na rin, what you're fixing. We're gonna have a performance by 8:30. So, kung hindi pa kayo nakakakuha ng meet and greet stuff, you can visit the Calico booth to ask them how you guys can contact email out. Pwede yung punta doon, so you can ask sa Facebook Live. Sana umabot kayo ng 4 o'clock. Because the performance for the meet and greet is at 5 p.m.
Yes, kaya tuna kayo aalis. Hindi lang yun. Meron pa kayong dalawang special guest na papasok. Malapit na. Siguro 30 minutes or isang oras.
Yeah, ayaw nga. Hindi mo na over si teacher.
Di ba?
In your face.
So, we from June, we had more of
May nag-assist pa naman. But I thought basically, parang boss ng masasagot. Right? Kaya tingnan ko ako malam. These are family-friendly, non-injury making. Ayoko magsuot ng gano'n kasi baka sabihin, hindi ako. So I'm not gonna touch your costumes. May mga tatay na lang sa presyo na nakaka. So, presyo yung masa. Are you ready? We're like... Okay, so ang mag-eat siya, water, ay wala na basket na yan.
Mangyayari, isa-isa. So,